Good morning, beautiful souls. Happy Monday. Welcome to Meditation Monday. Now, I've had a couple of attempts at working in the woods this morning, but there are a team of probably very cold people with chainsaws just behind me. So I decided that it would be a better idea to run this without the noise of chainsaws behind me. Now, happy 12/12. It's the official beginning of the run-up to the solstice, the December solstice. And this year, as you've probably heard me and others say, is of particular relevance because we are moving from this point onwards into the second half of the transition from 3D to 5D. And of course, that's just numbers. You know, we talk about this all the time. You hear the terms third dimension, fifth dimension, all of these dates bandied around these specific events. But ultimately, what's important is our vibration, how we are operating at a specific frequency. We're embodying it and sending this out to others. Now, I've been joined by Ascended Master Merlin, who always turns up at exciting dates and times when there's special work to do. So wherever you are in the world, just close your eyes and relax and tune in. And as usual, breathe into your heart center. Begin with a deep breath in. Breathe deeply and consciously into your heart center, the core of your ascension process, and activate it. As you breathe in, see, request and feel that your heart activates into a golden, white and pink ball of light. And as you breathe out, see that ball of light expanding from the center of your chest and moving outwards. And just continue that process, continue to breathe. Breathe into your heart. As you breathe out, see the ball of light expanding further and further. Now, those of you that have used this technique with me before, it may happen quickly and easily, and very soon you'll be surrounded in this ball of beautiful heart light. Some of you may perceive the ball as more golden, some of you may perceive it as more white, or maybe even pink, depending on the consistency of your personal heart chakra. But we're going for the colour gold this morning. So just breathe in, take another deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just allow this cocoon, this sphere of light, to gather around you. Now, as you are sat within your own cocoon of heart light, just be aware that you are being joined by two souls. To your left-hand side is your personal guardian angel who's been with you since the beginning of your soul's journey. And to the right, you are being joined by Ascended Master Merlin, who today is turning up in beautiful gold and green resplendent Merlin robes. So he is standing to your right-hand side. Now, as you're breathing, as you are relaxing, as you are immersed in your heart's light, be aware that Merlin and your guardian angel are pouring their energies into your cocoon, your sphere. So feel the vibration, the frequency and the quality of the light that you are sat within growing even brighter and brighter. Merlin is a master of magic and alchemy and transformation. So anything that is within your bodies and your fields at this time that you are working on, anything that you might be holding on to that you wish to transform, just focus upon that for a few seconds and just allow Merlin's light to enter into whatever that may be, to loosen it up, to begin speeding the process of the alchemy up. Breathe and relax. Now, Ascended Master Merlin is taking one hand or one finger, placing it upon the centre of your heart and taking the other hand, his other finger, and placing it on the centre of your third eye. And as you are breathing, he's asking you to visualise a line of golden, white and pink light moving up from the centre of your heart in a direct straight line and joining the point at which he is touching on your forehead. Just allow a few moments for this to happen. Just breathe consciously and focus on that line of light moving up from your heart centre to where Merlin has his finger. And very soon the two chakras will be joined together by a line of light. Now as this is occurring, Merlin is beginning to chant. He is beginning to speak. Now this is light language that is coming in. This is very specific to Merlin. This is alchemical language of the higher realms. And as he is speaking, as he is chanting, there are incredible, beautiful golden hieroglyphs beginning to gather around the crystal ball of your third eye. Some of you may experience larger and more specific hieroglyphs or representations of Merlin's light language, or some of you may see smaller and more numerous quantities. But each of you will be specifically receiving exactly what you need at this time. So Merlin is speaking this light language into reality, and it is gathering around your third eye. So just take a few moments to really see, feel, or just maybe imagine and activate fully this incredible light language that Merlin is bringing in. And as you breathe and relax, the light language begins to sink very gently, simultaneously covering the entire of your third eye, the crystal ball, into the surface of your crystal ball and lights it up a bright, radiant gold. Some of you may actually experience this as a physical sensation. You might actually feel the light language connecting, lighting up and activating your third eye. Now as this happens, Merlin removes his finger from your third eye and your heart, and he stands back to your right hand side. Now your third eye is one of your most powerful chakras. It is the centre of your manifestation and your perception of not only this reality but all of the other realities around you. So take a few moments to tune into your third eye. Does it seem or feel clear? Is there any mist or any fog or any old symbols upon your third eye that might need alchemizing, might need removal, might be something that's blocking your vision, might be something that you're working through? On this morning of 12/12, Merlin is activating the gift of clear sight, of perfect vision for all of the souls on the light path who wish to see and perceive at the highest level possible. So feel anything now that is not active and joined in love-based clear vision, just melting and dissolving away. This could be things that have been put in place to deliberately disempower your ability to manifest, to see, to perceive, to receive information. It only takes a few moments for Merlin's powerful personal alchemy to melt and dissolve anything that is blocking your line of clear and perfect sight. And your golden guardian angel now on your left hand side is speaking a message, a personal message to you of heartfelt love, of encouragement, of enthusiasm, and of joy. And your guardian angel is incredibly proud of you at this moment in time, of how far you've come, whether you are new to the spiritual pathway, or whether you've been on it for some period of time. You might consider yourself a veteran. Whatever this message is, just allow a few moments for your guardian angel to speak to you. You might either hear the words within the centre of your heart, or you might hear them clearly. You might know what this message is. You might feel it. Just allow that to happen. And at the end of this message, your guardian angel places a gentle kiss upon the centre of your third eye to fully activate and acknowledge the work that Merlin is doing. So feel all of the energy within your third eye now just settling down. Feel your third eye glowing a beautiful, radiant emerald green gold. Now just be aware that your third eye is connected fully to your heart. You might even see a line of light or a pulse moving up from your heart to your third eye and back down again in a continuous wave form. As your third eye is joined to your heart centre, allowing the love from your heart to actually empower the visions that you project outwards to form your reality. And just breathe and relax. And just quietly acknowledge and say thank you now to Merlin and to your guardian angel. Take a few moments now to place your feet upon the floor and allow very deep gold and silver roots to flow down from your Earth Star chakra into the planet, grounding your vibration in. And when you are ready, open your eyes. Okay, my lovelies. Just allow a little bit of time for that to work, to settle in. It might have the effects of the energy work might happen immediately, or it might take a little bit of time for whatever Merlin has put in place to do its job. Okay, but whatever it is, we are being asked to see with the clearest and the most precise vision, to cut through all of the illusions that are potentially being presented to us. And I'm very excited to be joining my friend Paul de Carey tonight at 5 o'clock UK time. Now this might confuse a few people because usually it's 7 o'clock, but tonight Paul de Carey and I are starting at 5 p.m. UK time. We'll be going live. And we've got an exciting 2-hour workshop to be presenting to all of you, covering where we've been in the last 10 years, what precisely is going on at this moment in time, and what we are likely to be working with as we come out the other side of this halfway point. So sending you all lots of love. Looking forward to seeing you later if you're joining us. And if not, I will see you again on Friday. Bye for now.